Which what?
VPP.
VPP. VPP. Okay. I am a regional-minded person, and I respect to all the regional party, including the VPP. But I do feel that in winning the MP election, UDP along with SPP has a much better better chance. We have 14 MLA, so many MBC. So I don't underestimate any opponent, be it VPP, be it BJP, be it NPP or Congress or whoever. I respect to all my opponent. But if we go in terms of number of MLA, in terms of number of NDC, and if we go by the vote share that we got during the last MLA election, we are far ahead of VPP. And I appeal to the supporter of VPP, let's not waste any vote in VPP candidate, because at the end of the day we will landing up in dividing the regional vote. Let's vote for RDA, because we have a much better chance in securing the seat. And I pledge that any issue that the VPP would like to raise, I will take those issues in the parliament also, with the exception of few issues which I will not be spelled out here. Of course, I will not agree to all the issues. Clean governance is something that I share the ideology with you. So let's not dividing the vote into so many parties. Let's try to consolidate the regional vote into one. And I do feel that RDA is a proper alliance to win this election on behalf of the regional party.
We have a candidate.